Good morning, Sunnyfield. Today is a very special day.
Yes! Today we go to the car wash. I love bubbles.
Come on, team. Car wash first, then our picnic.
Perfect plan. Everyone in the car, please.
Max, look! We are going in the car! Whee!
Look, Dad. The car wash sign is right there.
Here it is, Kenner, the Sunnyfield Sparkle Car Wash.
Here we go. Everyone stay in your seats.
Yay! Bubbles time! Wow, look at all the foam! It's like snow! Tickle, tickle!
The brushes are dancing.
That's odd. Why did the lights just flicker?
The machine has stopped. That's strange.
Dad! Dad! The door won't open! It's stuck!
Mine is stuck too.
Stay calm, everyone. Let's think.
Mommy, I can't see outside anymore.
It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry, we're right here. It's all right, sweetheart. Mummy is right here.
Even Max the dog knew something wasn't right. Someone will hear us. Let's keep trying. Wait, is that horn coming from Tunnel 2? Oh no, the system froze. I must fix this fast.
Don't worry, Lily. We are a team. We'll be fine. Dad, look! There's a red button up there.
What is that? Good eyes, Oliver. That's an emergency stop button. Here goes nothing. Let's see if this helps. Tunnel 2 emergency. I'm coming right now.
The kind worker rushed to help the family.
Almost there. Just need to reset this switch.
Look! The lights are waking up.
There it is! The doors are unlocked now!
We did it! Teamwork saved the day!
Yay! Let's go outside now.
At last, the car wash finished its job.
Oh, what a relief! Look how shiny our car is!
It's sparkling! Here's a free wash. Just for you, next time.
Wow, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, car wash man.
That was a big adventure. Now, picnic time.
What a day! But we are all together, safe and happy.
When things go wrong, we stay calm and help each other.
Right, Dad. We can do it.
And so, the little car wash adventure became a big memory. Stay calm, stay together, Calais. That's what family is for.